Yay, this is the best lecture ever. It has been 20 years in the making. All right, so what you can do now is you can look at the National Reference Station and look at the time series of near bottom, temperature, and salinity. Both are shown here. Okay, so we have data for over more than 10 years. Okay, let's get the pointer on. No. 2013 is shown there, by the way, too. Okay? And the blue segments here show the summer periods. You can see the temperature. Okay, it goes always up and down, up and down. It's not an easy signal. You know, it has a peak. It has a number of peaks, so it's not an easy just sinusoidal pattern. However, you can see during the summer months, temperature drops. Okay, and this is the Ki pool. It drops. Okay, sometimes the drops are not that big. Sometimes they are big. You get 2014. 2013, no. No big peak. Okay, you can see 3 years in a row, 14, 15, 16, where you have a big peak. Okay, 2020 again, big peak. Okay. And again, what you can do is you can create a climatological seasonal cycle. Again, you have all the January values are shown as 1, 2 is February, 3 is March, and so you can show the typical signal if you connect all the mean values, and you can see the variability, where you get the biggest variations. Why the signal is a little bit more complex is because during winter time, okay, or early, late autumn, winter time, there is the outflow from Spencer Gulf, which it has hypersaline water. You know, and you can see that in the salinity. Salinity is shown here. You get the time when you get actually salinity increase. And this is hypersaline water from the outflow of Spencer Gulf. And it also changes the temperature a little bit. Anyway, okay, you can see that there is the Kangaroo Island pool starts to form in January, February, and March. It's there. There's a huge variability. Sometimes it's strong, sometimes it's weak. You can see from the absolute range. Okay, and in April there's a big change. And this is also associated with the appearance of the South Australian current, which is warm water. Sometimes it comes in early, maybe even in March and April, and creates very warm water in this region. Sometimes it comes late, and then you get the minimum. Okay, so by looking at these time series, you get a good understanding of the variability. And you can see it's a highly variable system. Okay, so